Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect your PayPal to your big Cartel store and start receiving payments with PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official bigcartel.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the info that you have for starting to set up your store. As you can see, here is our checklist, and at the top of the page we have the dashboard section, we have our orders, products, and so on. So guys, now what we want to do is go ahead and get started setting up PayPal, and to be able to do that, we have to go ahead and open up the account settings option right here at the top of the page, which is the last section. Go ahead guys and open that, and this will now open up this account page where we can see our account settings. So guys, now let's go ahead and scroll down until we find this option right here that says get paid. So guys, here is the get paid option that you will find, and as you can see, we can go ahead and set up PayPal right here by clicking on set up your payment options. Click on that guys, and this will open up this new page where, as you can see, we can go ahead and connect PayPal. So guys, go ahead and click the button to connect your PayPal, and this will take you to the next page where you can go ahead and enter your info and get started with connecting PayPal. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.